Hello, universe! Hello, world! Hello, Philippines! Kamusta ang Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao? Of course, this is your host again, Marlene Crag of Kamusta Ka Bagong Pilipinas, ang bagong talk show ng bayan. Of course, with me are my new adopted co-host, Dr. Conrad Pereras.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat ng tagapakinig ng programang ito. Kamusta ka, bagong Pilipinas?
And of course, introducing to you our new co-host, Miss Rina Tolentino.
Well, hi, good morning everyone to all our viewers there. Nako, magandang umaga, Rina here. I'm so excited together with these wonderful people. Kumusta ka, Pilipinas?
Wala pang instrument na nakaka-predict ng
But
earthquake.
if the PhilVox tells you already that anytime means anytime. Okay?
And the only thing that we can do is talagang mag-prepare and at the same time, siguro for the alert.
At kung paano tayo pwedeng manatiling kalmado, matalino, at handa.
Parang sunod-sunod nga yung mga lindol everywhere. And ang dami nangyayari lately.
Sa Kongreso, lumilindol din.
Doon ang shaking talaga. So, ang bagong Pilipinas starts with bagong Pilipino sa ating lahat. Pilipino. Okay, so this is your host, Marlene Crag, saying next time ulit.
Kamusta ka, bagong Pilipinas?